Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I am going to do an unboxing of an item that I purchased from this place. I believe it's called the Crew. I'm not sure I pronounced it correctly. Yeah, so it was my first time buying anything from them before, and I'm just going to show you what I purchased. So if you enjoy this type of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks again for watching, guys. Here we are. I went for a pre-loved vintage Prada double zip in an orange color with the double zip. As you can see, there's a little bit stain there. The hardware, it's still shiny. And just checking the strap seemed to be okay, no ripped or scuff. So the it comes with the strap, as you can see there. The inside, it seemed to be in a good condition. There's no stain, there's no ripped. It's still clean. And you can expand the bag to make it bigger by opening the side button tab. And I noticed around with the hardware, the zipper, it has like a little bit of stain. I think it's from opening and closing the hardware. And I'm just checking over the number. I don't know much about it, but I think it indicates the year of the make. So let me know in a comment if you do. So overall condition, it's pretty good. I would have to say a 7 out of 10, being a vintage older bag. So I just love the color. I don't think they make this anymore. So that's the reason why I went pre-loved. So there you have it, guys, and the Prada Saffiano double zip in a small size. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's useful. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and it helps my channel a lot. Thanks again for watching, guys.